Hey guys, just want to do a quick video on a new smoker that I got. It's an outdoor gourmet, the Triton Vertical Smoker. I picked this up at Academy Sports for $3.49. It was already assembled, which I really didn't want it. Okay, Zilla, look out. My little dog. I wanted one in the box, but this was the last one they had. The reason I wanted it in the box is because I wanted to put it together myself and use some sealant around it. But this is what I'm going to do. When I do fire it up, I'm just going to kind of check for sealants. If I have to take it back apart, I have to take it back apart. But I watched some of the videos online. One of the guys had sealed it with manifold sealant, like I usually do with most of my smokers. And he had still a couple leaks here and there. So I'm just going to kind of see and how it does. I think maybe my firebox is probably the only place I'm really going to have to seal. The door seems like it's really nice and tight, and then there is a seal that's put in on the firebox itself. So yeah, we'll just see how it goes. So this thing is 1,348 square inches. It's got an embossed lid for better seal and heat retention, 5 chrome plate steel cooking grates, adjustable side vents and smokestack damper, removable heavy gauged ashtray for easy cleaning. I'll tell you one thing that I'm super happy about. Well, for one, the temp gauge is amazing. That's a really good one. It's top damper. But these ring hooks, I like those because I do, in my old vertical smoker, I took and gave that one to my nephew because he wanted to get into smoking and couldn't really afford a new smoker, so I just gave him that. But I always do my deer sausage in there. And so, oops. All right, I got to remember to always take the bottom one off first and then. All right. Oh, my top wrap fell down. Easy peasy. There we go. So if you can see up here, you got all these hooks here, so you can hang stuff on there, but the hooks that come with it also are going to be good for hanging sausage, and especially my deer sausage when I do that each year. So yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to testing that out and getting that. Just kind of learn how everything works in here. So yeah, I like that it has 5 grates and it has a water pan also. It's got a nice deep bottom in here, and then it does have a built-in drip tray. You know, you can pop it in and out. I don't know if that little tray is enough, but we'll try it. I'll probably have to maybe get a bucket or something like I usually do. Now in the firebox itself, you got your adjustable here for your vent. And then also the removable tray when you get coal ashes. But in here also, you got your rack down there in the bottom. Put your coal on. And then you got 2 racks here for doing direct heating. It's actually pretty heavy gauge. It's got these big steel wheels, almost like the Oklahoma Joes do and stuff. And like I said, right here in this area is the only place I'm kind of worried about it leaking smoke, but as long as it can retain heat, I'm not really worried about it that much. The other cool thing too, oh yeah, it's got a bottle opener. I forgot about that. That isn't the cool thing. But here it's got this back door, so if you want to add water while you're cooking without having to reach and leaving out a whole lot of heat. So yeah, overall, like I said, I think it was, I actually got the price tag over here. Yeah, it was $3.49 at Academy Sports, and they sell a lot of them because the Academy that's in my town is only 2 miles away from me, and I can't stress this enough. If you call Academy or go online, make sure you call them back and make sure that they have stuff in stock. 2 issues that I had and this is no dig on Academy as a whole company, because I will continue to shop there, but the two incidents I had this weekend were uh, the website said that they had one, went up there, and the guys went in the back and looked, and it was saying that it was still there, but it was nowhere to be found. So their accounts on their computer were messed up. And then when I called the one that was about 40 miles away in St. Peters, Missouri, they said that they had one still, and online it asked me if I wanted it put together, and I said no, because I wanted to bring it home. And of course, here you go, it was already put together. I mean, I complained to the manager a little bit about it and everything, and he gave me a $5 coupon. And I actually called Academy and just let them know that, their computer system and inventory is not very good. And this isn't the first time it's happened, but this is like the first time I ever complained about it. But like I said, I'm not going to quit shopping there, because they're great. To me, they're the best sporting store all the way around, for just your basic, up to some of the more high-end stuff. They're not Bass Pro or Cabela's or anything, but I mean, as far as some of the other ones, they've kind of taken the left turn, let's say. You can still get everything you need pretty much at Academy: hunting, fishing, camping, outdoor stuff, just kids sports, adult sports, everything. So yeah, not trying to badmouth them, just kind of stating the facts. If you do go to get one, make sure that they have one online. Even if you check online, just call the store and they'll take care of you usually. So I'm going to try to get this together outside tomorrow after work and oil it down and get it good and seasoned, and then this weekend we'll try it out. So I'll make a video how I'm seasoning and everything. So if you guys got any comments or questions about anything, feel free to drop them. I appreciate it, and I'll see y'all later.